ATNM, stock analysis and predictions for Monday. Is it a buy? I'm answering this in the short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at Actinium Pharmaceuticals. Yeah, I like the 10% increase. What I'm going to do here is just zoom out and show you the broader picture here, which obviously if you've watched any of my previous videos, you will understand that it was a bearish bias for me to begin with. So moving forward, this is where we are. I marked down the demand zones. The lows though, you know, it's not a demand zone. And yeah, higher time frame that could stay there. But also we have a decent supply zone here. So maybe, and just maybe, if the rules are being met, short selling will make a crap ton of sense. But without my rules met, I'm not going to short sell. That's what I'm saying. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter. And everything else is going to be noise. So stay tuned. Goodbye and enjoy.